Well, it's so good to see all of you. Well, it's about 90 degrees in New Jersey today. And you might say, oh, that isn't bad. Well, in New Jersey, we have very bad high humidity. So you take 90 degrees and you put it with the humidity, and it is hot here. So I thought today, I have my Wildwood Crest shirt on, because that's where we go every summer for vacation. We'll be going down there soon, but I thought I'd make a cold dish for you today that you can use for a barbecue or a picnic, because who wants to cook in this heat? So if you're new here, my name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. So what do you say we get started? But before we do, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe and the little bell. And that's it. You'll be a subscriber and you'll get a notification when I have a new video up. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, this is a dill pickle pasta salad with bacon. Oh, now who doesn't like bacon? Now, it is optional. You can make this and you don't have to put the bacon in it, but I like it with the bacon, so that's what I'm going to do today. And I will put the list of ingredients for you in that more box, below the video. So, what do we have to do first? Well, we have to take a pot of water and boil it on our stove. We don't have to put the oven on. No, too hot for that. And then you need a 1-pound box of a Rotini pasta, any brand you want. This was on sale, so I bought Ronzoni. But I like to use the spiral pasta with this because the dressing and all just seems to adhere nice in between those curls. So let me put this aside. Cooked my pasta. You want to make it al dente. And I have it in the strainer by my sink, and I ran cold water over it. So you want to let your pasta cool. All right? Now, while your pasta is cooling, what I did is I took about, I don't know, maybe 3/4 pound, I'm not really sure, of bacon. Now, you can use regular bacon, you can cook it in your oven, you can cook it in a frying pan. I cheated and I bought the pre-cooked bacon that you just have to heat up in the microwave. So I did that, I drained it on paper towels, and you want about, I would say, about 8 ounces of it in here. And when it cooled, I cut it up. I chopped it up into little pieces. So here's my bacon, and you can do a little bit more, a little bit less, whatever your preference is. So let me put my bacon aside. Now what we're going to do is I took a jar of the dill pickle spears. You can use any brand you want. And I took them and I chopped them. I prepared all of this for you ahead. So I have about 2 cups here of chopped dill pickles. So let me put them over here. Now I also have, a 1/2 cup of the shredded cheddar cheese. So let me put that aside. I got some fresh dill, got a little pack of it in the food store. So here I have 2 tablespoons of fresh dill that I chopped up. So I put those 4 ingredients aside, the bacon and then the pickles, the cheese, and the fresh dill. Now I'm going to take myself just a little bowl. You don't have to use this, but I'm going to. And you're going to make a dressing that you're going to put in this dill pickle pasta bacon salad. So in here, I make my dressing. So I'm going to put in here 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using the whole mayonnaise. I haven't used the light mayonnaise, but I don't know. I'll leave that up to you if you want to try that. I'm also going to add to this 1/3 cup of sour cream. This is so good. And mostly at barbecues you have potato salad, you have macaroni salad, coleslaw. But wouldn't it be nice to put something a little different out on that table? I'm going to add to this 1/3 of a cup of pickle juice that I took from the jar. Got that in there. Now I'm going to put my seasonings in. So we're going to put in here, let me open my garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. Smells good already. Okay. We're going to put in some onion powder. Oh, same thing. A teaspoon of onion powder. Alrighty. Move that over there. And I'm going to put in about maybe half a teaspoon of some cracked pepper. So let me get that in there. Last but not least, I'm going to put in some dry dill. 2 teaspoons of dry dill. Let me get that in there. 1, 2. All right. So we have our dressing. I'm going to mix this all up till it's all combined. Now, what you're going to need is a big bowl, big serving bowl, to put your pasta in that has been cooled. Can you believe it? Look what I did. I never learn. Why don't I put an apron on? Well, now you know why I have a little mark on there. Because I'm a messy baker. All right, this is all mixed up. Smells delicious. Now I have a bowl. Happen to be using one of my Ray Dunn's bowls that says toss on it. It's a big salad bowl. So I'm going to head over and I'm going to put my cooled down Rotini pasta that I cooked al dente into this bowl. So I'll be right back. Okay. So as you can see, it's all drained and it's ice cold. Into this bowl, I'm going to put my cheese, my half a cup of shredded cheese, cheddar cheese. I'm going to put in my 2 cups of diced dill pickle spears. And I'm going to put in my dill that I chopped, my fresh dill. And last but not least, I'm going to put in my chopped up bacon. Woo! All right, I'm gonna just mix this through a little bit. Oh my gosh, you should see what it looks like. Oh, look at this, I'll hold it up. And I didn't even put the dressing in it yet. Look at that. So now I'm gonna take my dressing, do that. So easy to do. Just prepare your ingredients ahead of time. And it's so easy. Oh, it looks so good. Just gonna save a little bit of that dressing. Okay. I'm gonna toss everything together. Oh my goodness, look at this. And there you have it. Okay, it's all mixed here. I have myself a little bowl. I'm just going to take a little bit. It's dill, but it's not too dill. It's not like sour or anything. I love it. Good for your next barbecue or your next get-together. And I think you'll get some applause and people will say, what is that? And they'll ask you for the recipe. Oh boy. So good. Son just walked in. I'm going to get him a bowl and I'm going to see what he thinks. Okay, Scott, here's a bowl for you. I gave him a little extra dressing on top to mix through. While he's tasting that, just want to thank you all for stopping by and watching me make this pickle pasta salad with bacon. And don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. Wait till you see the recipe I have coming up next. You won't believe it. What do you think, Scott?
Very good.
Oh, he likes it. I knew he would like it. I mean, he likes pickles. We like bacon. We like pasta. What's not to like? So good. Well, anyway, thank you all for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Before I go, I just wanted to remind you that a couple of videos ago, I set up a GoFundMe for my dear friend Barb from the YouTube channel Take Control Beauty. I know many of you know her. She is fighting cancer now, and she's a trooper, but she really could use a little help. So many medical bills piling in. So the link to the GoFundMe is down below, you know, where it says more. Just click that in case you haven't already seen it. And I know many of you can't donate, but if you can, even a few dollars would be helpful. So thanks so much, everyone. Have a great 4th of July weekend, and I'll see you all very soon. Going to eat my pickle salad. Toodles!